Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're brand new. My name is Jackie, and today I am back after a very long hiatus. It's been a few years since you guys have seen me, but I'm back to do a very special Rainbow Loom unboxing. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that I won Loom Star of the Week a couple weeks ago. This is actually my second time winning it. I'm very, very fortunate that is the case, and I am beyond honored to have been nominated for Loom Star again. It's just an amazing experience. I hope every loomer on social media gets the chance to be Loom Star of the Week, and I am so fortunate. I'll insert a picture of the bracelet that I won it for right here for you guys, but I want to give a quick thank you before we dive into the unboxing to June and the entire Rainbow Loom team for picking me as the winner of last week's Loom Star of the Week, as well as MDL Looms, who designed this bracelet, and Loves to Loom, who did the tutorial for it. Would not have been possible without them, as well as all of you guys who follow me over there on Instagram or here on YouTube. I appreciate it all. And without me rambling on any further, let's jump right into the unboxing. So I'm looking inside the package, guys, and it is packed full of stuff. So I'm just gonna grab the first band of packs of bands I see on top, which is going to be the 600 count Glow Pastel. Hopefully you guys can see this okay on camera, but very, very pretty. I'm a big fan of pastel colors, so I love this pack, and it does seem like it glows in the dark, so that will be really cool to use in future projects. We have the Viper Glow pack. This is also 600 count, and it is tri-colored, so each band is red, black, and yellow, it looks like, which I think is a really cool combination. I don't use too many of the like multicolored bands, but I could use this for something, so that is that one. Dual layer octopus color, I believe this is called, and it is purple and white. I had my eye on these for a number of years. Sorry, the package almost fell there. Oh my goodness. And I just never picked them up. I think it's a really pretty eggplant color, so I will definitely keep an eye out for a bracelet to use this in. So we have the kit that was in here. I wanted to just pull this out and get it out of the way. It is the mini combo Rainbow Loom kit featuring Loomy Pals. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it has like a little mini loom. I think they used to call it the finger loom, if I'm remembering correctly. And then it has little charms you can include, which I think is really, really cute. I've seen some really cute designs with like the fishtails and the single chains with these charms on them, so definitely will be using those. A pack of the yellow jelly bands. This is what they look like. Again, the 600 count. I haven't used the jelly bands in God knows how many years. I have so many in my Rainbow Loom kit, and I just don't use them too often, so I will definitely be using this. I'll have to find like a great bracelet to use these on. I have one of my favorite sets of bands I include. That is the medieval pack, and I have the neon green medieval, so it's green, like a little bit of a lighter green on the inside. Again, 600 count. Love this color. I love this pretty, like almost olive green color. I think it's so pretty. I can't wait to use these. We have another one of those tri-color band sets, and that is the Pastel Glow. So it's red, black, and like a light pink. Again, 600 count. This would have been great for Valentine's Day, which just passed, but these are so pretty. I definitely think I could use these in something just based on the color, so this is really cool. I really like that. I have a pack of the turquoise jelly bands. This is a classic one. I used to use this all the time in my bracelets. I haven't used these again in a number of years, but I'm looking forward to using them again. The pack that's in here is the Passion Pink dual layer. So it's again like a hot pink on top and like a neon pink inside. I actually have some of these in my box of Rainbow Loom supplies, so I definitely always need more, so I can't wait to use these even more than I already do. What was in the package is a brand new metal tipped hook. You can never have enough hooks, in my opinion. I have a lot, but I'm always losing track of them. So I got this bright green one, and it also comes again with a mini loom. So this will definitely be the good use, and I'll figure out something to do with the mini loom. That's it for today's unboxing, guys. I want to thank you all for joining in. If you're brand new, welcome to the channel. I hope to see you more. And if you're been here for a number of years, welcome back. It's great to see you guys. I'm sorry I haven't been active. That is a story for another day, but I am glad to be back. I have a multitude of unboxings coming up, so stay tuned for those. But if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already, and I will link all my social media links down below for you guys if you'd like to check them out for any chance. All being said, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys next time.